Hey everyone, this is Nico. In today's video, we'll be combining the min and max functions to create a floor or ceiling value. We have a link to a separate video in the description that explains min and max, but if you're ready for a more advanced application, then let's go. Okay, in this table, we have the quarterly profit of a few regions. Now, as you can see, there were also a few loss-making quarters, like region 2 in quarter 1 and quarter 4. We want to calculate a commission payable to the salespeople in each region, but to incentivize them to do well consistently, the commission is calculated as 20% of the worst performing quarter. So we find the lowest value times 20%. Now, to do this, I'll go equals min, open bracket, select all 4 quarters, close the bracket, times 20%. But the commission can never be less than 0. So we create a floor by wrapping it all in the max function. So we will say bring back the max of value 1, which is what we've just calculated, comma, and what's value 2? 0. So whenever number 1 is less than 0, then it will bring back the 0 instead. So let's just put the basic formula in here. Min of those ones times 20%. I'll copy this one down. I'll copy that one down. And we can see this one was limited. There's now a floor in place of 0. So how do we then create a ceiling? Let's say that the maximum commission payable is 100. So we want a ceiling of 100. Then we will take our existing formula and wrap it in a min function. So I'll go min, open bracket, and then number 1 is everything that we've calculated so far, comma, and then what's number 2? That will be 100. So it always brings back the least of number 1, in other words, our entire formula, and number 2, which is 100. So as soon as all of this goes over 100, then it will bring back 100 instead. So let's copy that down. And we can see that one's limited to 0. That one is limited to 100. And that's it. Now we have a floor and a ceiling using min and max together. Hope you enjoyed this quick tip. There's many other ways to do this, like using if functions, but to grow your Excel skills, it really pays to just play around with different functions. You never know where a better understanding of min and max might come in really useful in solving a completely different problem you might be struggling with. Now, as always, thanks for watching. I really appreciate the support. If you found this video useful, remember to hit the thumbs up. Also, feel free to subscribe if you want to help my channel grow so that you can help more people solve their Excel problems. Thanks, guys. See you next time.